Hey guys, welcome back to BS Quality. Today we're going to see if the trim restoration from Blackmagic works. It shows right here, untreated and treated. Restores shine, protects faded exterior trim, easy to apply, lasts for months. So, I already did a little test sample, so I wanted to make sure it wasn't going to be a waste. But it's probably the wrong way, but just pouring it on and using a microfiber cloth. And this is on a really old Honda motorcycle. Which it does look like it's working. And I gotta let you guys know also that this is also like 5 years old, so it's probably not as watery. But I was gonna do it for a video and I never got to it. But I mean, there's the before and there's the after. But comment down below and let me know if you want to see like an updated video in the future of if it just dries and fades away. If it does, I'll make it, but let me know if you want an update. I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna try just putting some on this microfiber here. Oh, that works a lot better. I mean, I gotta say though, like, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I'm actually really impressed. I've had stuff like this before and it doesn't, it's a waste. But this actually, you know, is working to a point. But you can just, you know, spit on it and it'll work. So we'll see how long this stuff lasts for. I'll definitely do an update video. But yeah, you can see right there, that's what it looked like. And now it's shiny, so. Try this part. It didn't do much, but I mean, that color gray, and then it gets like a nicer shine. I mean, it actually looks brand new, actually. So yeah. Like there's that, and then it transitions to this. So for a quick detail, I recommend it, but I can't say too much until I find out how long it's gonna last for. But for like, if you had a car show or something that had this faded plastic stuff, I would say it would last a while. So yeah. So if you're not, please subscribe and hit that like button. I greatly appreciate all you guys and gals. Just have a great day. Thank you.